This information is marketing communication. The views and opinions contained herein are of Johanna Kyrklund, Group Chief Investment Officer and Global Head of Multi-Asset Investments, and may not necessarily represent views expressed or reflected in other Schroders communications, strategies or funds.
After a strong 2021, we're now entering a more mature phase of the economic cycle when growth momentum peaks and central banks begin to withdraw support. Against this backdrop, we expect equity returns to be more muted but still positive, supported by solid corporate earnings. One major risk is that inflation accelerates further, unhinging the yield curve and forcing central banks to raise rates even more aggressively. We expect supply bottlenecks to ease, but we must keep an eye on wage costs, and at stock level we are focused on identifying those companies with pricing power, given the risk to margins. In recent years, we compared the global economy to a wobbly bicycle, where a lack of economic momentum left us vulnerable to being blown off course by any gust of wind. The pandemic forced governments to put stabilisers on the wobbly bicycle, allowing us some reprieve from cyclical volatility. Those stabilisers will be coming off in 2022, and the private sector will have to take on the baton of growth. In summary, we see more muted returns and increasing risks. This is not a time for big bets, but rather a time to diversify your portfolio.
Important information. This information is not an offer, solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell any financial instrument or to adopt any investment strategy. The material is not intended to provide and should not be relied on for accounting, legal or tax advice. Reliance should not be placed on any views or information in the material when taking individual investment decisions and/or strategic decisions. The views and opinions contained herein are those of the authors or the individual to whom they are attributed and may not necessarily represent views expressed or reflected in other communications, strategies or funds. Past performance is not a guide to future performance and may not be repeated. The value of investments and the income from them may go down as well as up, and investors may not get back the amounts originally invested. The forecasts included should not be relied upon, are not guaranteed, and are provided only as at the date of issue. Issued by Schroders Investment Management Limited, 1 London Wall Place, London, EC2Y 5AU, registration number 1893220, England. Authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority.